Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video on a topic that we gotta be dealing with every single week is credit utilization. People are having issues with maxing out their credit cards. I'm gonna give you the first solution you should be looking at if you don't have an excellent credit score. I can understand with a credit report with 66% payment history, 120% credit card usage, and 6 collections. Obviously, you're not working with a 700, 720, or 750 credit score. So what is your next options, right? So I'm gonna let you know right now, this has to stop right here. Using your credit cards for everything without repaying it, right? So you got a $2,000 credit card, you got a $5,000 credit card. Everything you're doing, you're going out with your family using your credit card, but you're not making the payments you need to make. You're making the minimum payment. So if your minimum payment is $125, you're gonna make the $125 instead of getting your side hustle, getting that extra money and paying $300, $400 on that next payment so you can start bringing that utilization down. You know, my thing is I like to keep credit utilization in single digits. Single digits meaning 9 and under. You get what I'm saying? So do what you gotta do. I'm gonna give you 3 lenders you could go to if you have a little as a 630 credit score. They can approve you, but it depends on your overall credit report. At least you can have another option if the big banks are denying you, Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, Navy Federal, PNC, all these things. So let's go over to, so I can at least give you 3 options that you could try out pre-qualification. It won't have an impact on your credit report, right? Until you set that offer and move forward. So the first option you're gonna have, you could be able to go to LendingTree. So long as you got a job, you're getting a pay stub weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever it may be, they are willing to work with you with a little as a 630 credit score. And they starting off with an interest rate as low as 5.99. Now, are you gonna get that 5.99? It all depends. You get what I'm saying? But it will be, let's just say they approve you and that interest rate is 11.99, 15.99, right? That's not good, but it's better than you paying that almost 30% interest rate that you're paying on those credit cards. So you kind of got to weigh it out, right? You could upload some pay stubs. You know, they're going to have the basic information that they're going to be asking you. Upload it. They can see if they can pre-qualify you, right? Next step is Upstart. Upstart's another one. As long as you got close to that 650 credit score, they can approve you for some money. And they're starting off with a low interest rate as well. This is another option for people that just have a 9 to 5. These 3 right here are very friendly when it comes to that. But again, it's gonna depend on what's the interest rate they're gonna give you. It gotta be worthwhile. It gotta make sense. So if your credit cards is close to 30% and they might be giving you, let's say they're starting off at 5.99 and they might, like again, give you 11.99, 12%, 15%, whatever it may be, you have to weigh those options to see if you're going to be saving money if you go with this lender. Next on the list is Happy Money. I did a full breakdown on Happy Money roughly about 3 years ago, and they got rates over there starting as low as 7.95%. And as long as you got close to that 650 credit score, they're known for working with people and getting people approvals, as long as you'll be able to provide those documents of your pay stub. So these are 3 options that you could go to. I have a lot to work with. This is what I'm saying. When you in this kind of position, y'all need to go out there and start getting side hustles besides your average 9 to 5 that you're paying your everyday bills with. They got Uber Eats, they got DoorDash. They got so many apps. They got Instacart. You could go get some side hustles going on, make some extra cash on the weekend and start dropping that credit utilization. We need to stop it. We need to get out of it, man. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.